Welcome! Today we're comparing Tube Magic versus Vid IQ, then we'll teach tricks and tips for a successful faceless YouTube channel in 2024. We start by diving into the intricacies of YouTube video creation, from generating ideas to the final product. We explore the comparison of Tube Magic and Vid IQ, emphasizing their features for optimizing content. Understanding these platforms can be pivotal for channel success. Both Tube Magic and Vid IQ offer powerful tools to enhance content, reach, and channel growth. By delving into their features, we aim to provide valuable insights to aid in your decision-making process. Utilizing the affiliate links provided in the description below can grant you access to Tube Magic at a 50% discount and a 7-day free trial for Vid IQ. We discuss the importance of generating video ideas efficiently, utilizing tools like Tube Magic's ideation section, keyword research, and the significance of staying ahead of evolving YouTube trends. Additionally, we highlight some tricks and tips to give your channel a competitive edge in 2024. In the evolving landscape of YouTube, faceless content has emerged as a popular and sustainable model. We explain the advantages of faceless YouTube channels and how they connect with audiences while maintaining anonymity. Now, neither of these platforms make the actual video. To actually have the AI put together a video from the script you created, I have used Vidnose. Only gives 3 minutes free or day, Canva, VideoGen, and CapCut. My favorites are Vidnose and CapCut. More details on this in another video. Moving forward, we explore the pricing plans and unique features of Tube Magic at $47 and Vid IQ at $99.29 for the boost. Each do have a free trial and some free features. These platforms offer key metrics and analytics to help track and enhance channel performance. Leveraging these tools and analytics can help creators optimize their content effectively. They both give detailed keyword research and SEO optimization. We delve into cost-effective strategies, emphasizing the importance of SEO, audience engagement, and collaboration with other creators. These tactics, paired with utilizing tools like Tube Magic's community tabs, Warp Upload Optimize, can amplify channel success without excessive costs. Using the Warp Upload Optimize, you input the share link of your video and it spits out SEO optimized title, video description, and tags. Lastly, we discuss creating an action plan based on comparisons and tips provided, which includes developing content calendars, monitoring analytics, and staying informed about industry trends. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your faceless YouTube channel's growth and navigate the competitive YouTube landscape successfully. In conclusion, we highlighted the benefits of Tube Magic and Vid IQ, and some tricks and tips and strategies for growth in 2024. The most important being to try to make similar videos and give all the same tags, similar titles, and similar descriptions, encouraging application of these strategies to elevate your channel's success. We invite feedback and engagement to continue our journey toward channel improvement and success in 2024.